Hey, can I tell you something? What if I told you that the next set of photos you're going to see now, I never stepped into any studio to take the birthday photo shoots? No studio lights, no backdrops, no photographer, just me, my laptop, and an AI tool called Gemini. You know, it now has an image creating feature called Nano Banana. And because today is my birthday, guess what? I'm going to be showing you how to create your studio-like photo for free. Step one, I uploaded a clear photo of my face into Google Gemini, as we can see on the screen. Then I switched to image creation nano banana mode. Then step two, I crafted a prompt with a clear instruction like we see on the screen. I said, using the referenced image and retaining the exact real face, the real style, hairstyle, skin tone, and facial features, generate a high quality 4K portrait of a man sitting. So all these I had actually prepared and pasted here so that I'll save the time you spend watching this video. So next, step three, I clicked on submit and it took a few seconds, and let's see what comes out of this. I'm not sure what I'll get, but then take note that prompting matters so much, and I already crafted a detailed prompt because I know that AI reads every detail like a professional photographer, taking instructions on how you want your photo to look like. So I'm actually optimistic that this will come out really nice. And boom! So birthday studio shot without a studio, without a photographer is ready. So, guys, photographers, don't come at me, don't panic, just evolve. AI isn't stealing your job, it's actually just changing the game. If you're not annoyed with me for sharing this tip, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and say happy birthday to me, and I'll post the prompt in the comment section. Thank you.